Nice. Girl alive. Restore engagement. So look at this. Get the fuck away with the shit.
Millions of years ago, Shinnok, one of the Elder Gods, turned on his fellow deities and invaded the Earth Realm.
Squeeze them all.
Raiden and the Elder Gods stopped Shinnok, locked him up in the Nether Realm. Others followed in Shinnok's footsteps, like Outworld's Emperor Shao Kahn, who was obsessed with conquering Earthrealm. So Raiden convinced the Elder Gods to enact the Mortal Kombat tournament as a way to even the odds, give Earthrealm a chance. For generations, Shao Kahn followed the Elder Gods' rules. The war moved to the arena, where he sent his toughest fighters to challenge Raiden's greatest defenders in Mortal Kombat. 2 years ago, we beat him. But Shao Kahn wasn't ready to lose. He violated the rules of Mortal Kombat and invaded Earthrealm.
Maybe
most of his defenders, our friends, were killed. Turned.
This is it. What we have. Ian done. Haben Sie noch Wünsche, Hurensohn? Ich werde sorgen dafür, dass du unterkommst.
As punishment,
Alles Schwein.
the Elder Gods destroyed him. We thought the long nightmare was over. But it turns out that Shinnok had been manipulating events. Shao Kahn's invasion, his death. All part of Shinnok's plan to escape the Netherrealm and resume his war on the Elder Gods.
Shut up. It's time for freedom fighters. Ganbatte. Ohayo gozaimasu. TV. Does not change. Does not charge. Just your life spitting and backing. Willing the wish, you sucker. 你大汉道。
Set her down nice and easy for me.
Okay.
Always? If by always you mean not once. Major?
なんだいけすけたいわ。 Something's wrong in here.
All right, you have the rendezvous coordinates. Far edge of the forest. From there, we access
My
the portal to
burdens.
Raiden's Sky Temple.
Where there's an angry former elder god and his devils waiting for us.
Gods, portals,
Shit.
flying demons.
Blind guys with magic swords.
The world
You don't
has
like it?
changed.
Then
For the
jump
worse,
off.
if we do not expel Shinnok from
You
Raiden's
fucking
temple,
fool.
he means to poison Earthrealm's life force, the Jinsei.
And we're not gonna let that happen.
Kenshi and I appreciate the Major allowing us to join you. We're happy
You
to
know
help
my
kick
manners.
Shinnok's bony ass back to the Netherrealm.
Once for all. DjVolgin. You fat asses.
You gotta land this thing.
Easy.
Damn, I'm good.
You fucking around with us. Killing people. You must be insane on this shit. Or having a death wish on yourself. Are you dead? You dealing together? You're gay or something. You know what the fuck you need? A therapist or some shit, asshole. I give a snack. Holy shit, Johnny. Johnny's my favorite right now. Become or what the comedy goes on. Shut the fuck mouth. Each other, you suckers. Nice one. Deep. Up till this, you're shit. Fucking Sundays. Properly at the knack, you Hurensohn.
The end is near.
Nichts
Getting a little ahead
Besseres
of
zu erledigen,
yourself, aren't
du
you?
Troll. Du bist doch nicht der Richtige, oder? Der einen Helikopter zum Abstürzen bringt. Troll. Die Schnauze voll, junger Mann.
Didn't know you were such a fan. You should see your face. Gotta get back to the chopper. Sonia, get out of there!
Fucking traitor. Now be calm to this. Crowbar, I can't believe this. Kick ass, son.
That was unpleasantly cold.
Get over this shit coldness. Get over here!
Thank you and good night.
Son, that's like that one you can just sell. Yes, vi har Kirja som the shit. And die. Trilogy, am I playing?
Didn't know you were such a fan.
Okay.
Tag, you're it, chili dog. There it is. Don't take it personal.
Cannot bitchy enough, eh? Aren't you? Fight!
I liked it better when we fought on the same side.
Jag fattar att vår högståständig eine missgeburt gezogen.
You okay?
We fared better than the men.
Add him to the list of things Shinnok will answer for.
Där. Där. Sag mal lieber zu. Es wird ein anstrengender Kampf. Das wird schon BH draus. Na gut, na. Das braucht richtig mehr. Wir sind niemals allein.
The portal's defenses below. No, Fujin.
Meine Freunde sind mich herum. But we can't be our friends. Hidden for what shall this thing is done?
The mighty gods of Earthrealm.
You be
Well,
foul
that
on
was a
these
shit
hallowed
we
grounds,
deal done.
Quan Chi. Be gone.
Surely you are pleased to see your friends.
Where are you coming from, you idiot?
You abandoned them to their death.
Where's the damn particle? Coffin or something's cracked?
A life worse than death.
One you will soon share, and my lord himself shall witness your fall.
It's cracked.